Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. This week we're going to dive into some
Trying to get it as close to the top of your head without cutting your head off.
Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So going along with our Angie's List topics again, one of the last couple questions that they had Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So going along with our Angie's List theme again, another statement that they have is you should hire a contractor that's familiar with your geographical area. I agree 100% on this, where you want to have somebody that is familiar with the layout of the land, soil conditions in those areas. We in Southern California have a variety of soil types. You can go to the coast and have very sandy locations. You can come inland into like the Orange County area and have a lot of dense clay soils. You also have a lot of slopes in Orange County. And then you move your way out to the Inland Empire where we're at in the Temecula-Menifee area, and you get more of desert type material with a lot more sands and hard rocky layers. So it definitely makes life a whole lot easier knowing what kind of soil you have holding up your home to help make an accurate diagnosis on your home. So we strongly recommend this one. I think making sure people understand soil conditions is a vital part of providing the proper repair for your foundation. So Angie's List, I give you 2 thumbs up on this one.